Isn't she sweet?
She's so sweet.
Morning, baby.
You got the video.
How can you miss this shot? Good. By the way, I listened to you all who said she loves balls so much, don't let her play with these tennis balls because they're designed like sandpaper and they grind down her teeth. And she's been breaking the balls. She chews them so hard. So I took that advice, and today I did some online shopping. I bought her shoes because she's gonna be like running on asphalt and trails so much because she loves to run. And when we go traveling, I need to be good to her paws and her nails. So I bought her shoes. I bought her healthier toys of balls that are rubber and hard, kind of, so that it doesn't grind her teeth. What else did I buy? I bought one of those fetch sticks because I'm gonna blow out my freaking shoulder. She likes to play fetch so much. What else did I get for you? And a frisbee. I think that's a great first start. Bring it here. Bring it on the step. Bring it here, Maggie. No, on the step. I don't want to have to work for it. No, no. Bring it here. No. Nope. Right here. On the step. Good girl. On the step. On the step. Come on, first try it for me. Make me proud. I'm proud of you anyways. Yeah, good. Oh, you almost had it. Dude, if one of those things just landed in your palm, that would not be fun. I put some strawberries to soak in my orange juice, so when I'm done with the juice, you eat those orange juice soaked berries. Look at the old man's coming to play. Come on, old man. Come on, my boy. Hey, Buckley. Yeah, we're about to head out, so you can have your throne to yourself again. Christine's gonna stay here. We're gonna go to Hollywood. Hollywood. All right, bless you. Purge Satan out of your consciousness. All right, Christine, hold down the fort. Have a fun time. You want to give us a sneak peek at potential video you'll be filming, or do you want to save it?
It's a secret.
All right, it's a secret.
Top secret.
Go check it out. She's gonna be filming vids and making delicious food. We will see you in a few hours. Dudes, roll out. Damn, look at those muscles. I don't know where we are. This is not at all where I thought I was taking you guys to, but we've ended up here, and this is like, it couldn't be more perfect.
No one's here.
I thought Runyon Canyon, it's literally full of people. I think, look, you can see the people are up there. As we keep walking, we'll probably run into people, but we found some secret way. Don't step in your poop. I swear I just found a hidden gem of Los Angeles. There's clearly many people that frequent this because it's an established trail, but it should be packed with people on a sunny day, especially after rain. But we're on like a drainage. It's super technical. I got nervous. Like, could Maggie navigate these rocks and be jumping all around? She has jumped like twice her height, I thought, with her just current weight. I know she's a beast, and when she gets fully fit, she's gonna be able to go over anything, like a wild, just running around dog would. But now I'm like, okay, it makes sense that she probably can't jump as high and can't get around stuff, but she is sending it. She's crushing it. She keeps going forward, and then she'll run back and just check on me that I'm there. And then, see, look, she comes back right there, and then she goes, all right, peace, and keeps on going. So she makes sure I'm not too far behind, but she just crushes it at her own speed. I mean, I manifested this shit. She is the exact companion that I was looking for. Someone who can just crush it, is independent, but also is loyal to just check in on me. What do you think, Joe?
I think that humans are a parasite.
Shit, that's what this beautiful hike is making you feel? Oh, because we are in nature and we were enjoying it, and then you see this, you mean? So this right here is LA smog. You should see as far as the eye can see, but it just fades into white abyss. And it's probably not good for the lungs of the people living down there, huh? Yeah. Or the bodies.
Including us.
Yeah, meaning us, not just including us. I meant, yeah, all of us humans and animals and everything that lives here. Just raining down on us, but we put it up there. But you know what? Sometimes you just gotta say fuck it and do the best to not contribute to it the best you can, but also don't worry, because sometimes you just gotta enjoy your hike with the pups, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I totally did.
Because that's a part of health too, is trying to not harm yourself with negative thoughts all the time. And we live in such a problematic, chaotic world where we could just stew in our own personal demons, and then the fate of just all the violence in the world. And this is just a form of violence too, but it's all a yin-yang balance of being mindful with that and keeping yourself checked in so you can contribute something positive, and just saying, fuck it, let's be like dogs and enjoy the present moment. She's ready to go. Yes, she got a little overheated, but she's getting better and better every day.
This is a Reed avocado tree. They're like my favorite avocados, and they're from LA. And yeah, just gotta.
I told them the fruit gods are gonna be mad at you for stealing. Come on, didn't you learn from the Bible, son? The Bible's real. Don't steal fruit off the forbidden tree. No, I mean, I personally just wouldn't pick anyone else's fruit on a small farm, but Ben's like, nah, there's a lot of them. He wants them. I'm not gonna tell him what to do. Just try not to get like punctured.
Yeah.
That would be unfortunate.
It's just karma. There you go.
Ooh, dude, your wrist is right by barbed wire.
No, it's not.
This is called non-violent civil, it's not disobedience. Wow.
Nice, very smooth.
Okay, and there's a little imperfection. That makes me feel better about it. Maybe they wouldn't have eaten it, and you just imperfect produced it.
Wait,
you just
don't bring work into this.
That's good.
The farmer couldn't have sold it to anyone because it has a blemish.
So you thought you just had to take it off the tree because
Yeah.
it was sucking out nutrients.
That's what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
This is gonna
Dude.
be mass scale.
Let's talk about this. You're so right. You just predicted this.
This is gonna be mass scale. This is like what is bad about the marijuana industry, you know, and it going
Getting like corporatized.
is that, you know, and you can't just in some places it just doesn't have to be this. It also has to be in a plastic bag as well,
Right.
and they won't let you leave the store without it.
Right.
And like that's just look at this is once you
Right, so you
pop it and put it in
just
your
found
weed
that
jar.
in the street. That's gonna go, I mean, we'll pick it up now obviously, but
Yeah.
it would have gone in the gutter, gone into the ocean, and maybe like a freaking bird or something would have eaten it, or it would just go in a landfill.
Yeah, just like any other plastic. It's just like
There
this
is so much plastic that
Yeah.
people waste buying weed in medical or recreational ways. So here's the thing. You know how when you go to a bulk grocery store, you can bring your own jars and then they do the tear weight. Can you do that?
I bet you there's one pot shop somewhere.
Yeah, that is what
This
people need
is
to start
what's
doing. We
happening
need to
now.
start a movement. Okay, just as the reusable grocery bag movement totally took off and now it's like
Bring your
tabooed
own
and not,
jar.
it's bring your own jar. We need to not shame people, but start the process of being like, yo, it's not okay to every time just get a plastic jar. You need to bring your own stuff because pot can be awesome and medicinal, but if you're using a bunch of plastic, I'm not about it.
If pot's connecting you to the world and you feel more connected to the oneness, then don't buy it from this.
Yes, dude, that is so real. Thank you for reminding us of that. I just thought of something. Green split peas on toast is like the high carb vegans version of avocado toast.
Sure.
Yeah.
Even though you're a big fan of avocados too, which I am, of course, as well.
Yeah, but not usually avocado toast.
You don't usually do that?
No.
It's so trendy. You're in LA.
Yeah. I guess I'm not trendy
But
enough.
green split pea toast, that's my kind of. Well, green split pea and avocado
Well, you know
toast
what'd
would
be
be
good
good.
is if we blended the split peas with like garlic and onion,
Maybe like a hummus.
hummus. Yeah, that'd be legit.
Definitely. Maggie, you made it, girl. You made it. I'm so proud of you. She was so good. I was a little bit scared. She's probably gonna have sore muscles. I'll give her like an actual massage later tonight. Like get in there. Oh, do you like that? I'm gonna get in there on her legs. I need her to be healthy too. If we're both gonna be pushing ourselves physically, I gotta massage Mags. And you did so great.
I mean, I didn't make that.
Editing just got so much more fun in my life. Oh, this brings me back. Joe is using the house in the same way that I used to use the house and all its interesting features growing up. This is insane, dude.
I got it.
How do you do that?
Repetition.
He's juggling while bouncing the balls off the ceiling. Epic.
For you too.
All right, just had a jacuzzi sesh again. We keep that our private little family time with no vlogging is our jacuzzi time. It's nice. Get a little privacy around here once in a while. Just kidding. We like sharing. What was that face?
Nothing.
We're getting in the flow of things. I feel like tonight flew so well. I mean, last night did too. It was just late. We're getting each other's vibes. Who's gonna be the one chopping the potatoes? Who's gonna be the one juggling in the corner? Who's gonna be petting Buckley? Who's gonna be doing things? Figuring it out. That's what communities do. And we have another nice dinner. Right, Max? Ooh, you love sweet potatoes. I'll give you a little when I feed you. So easy.
Really?
All right, next member of the family, Honey.
Hi.
Thanks so much for coming over.
Thank you so much for hosting me.
Yes, I am so happy and feel like it's about time because I have been staying in other people's homes, traveling for the last year all over the world.
Yeah.
I use couch surfing extensively in China, Italy, I've done Malaysia, Thailand, Canada, and I have so many references on couch surfing and they're all from hosts because I'm always the guest and I'm so happy to get to return the favor and I want to provide Honey the most amazing couch surfing experience
I'm
possible.
so glad.
You happy? Things are good so far?
And it couldn't have been better. It's
Yes.
like crazy.
Okay.
Crazy good.
Yes, and tell me a little bit about your story. Or tell us about your story.
Okay,
Where do you live?
I am from India and I have been in United States for over 6 months and I've also been traveling to different cities. But this is my last leg of trip and I wanted to choose LA because this is one of my favorite cities. And I saw Jackson's profile on Couchsurfing and I read through some of the.
I said, this guy looks all right.
Yes, I mean I had to do my check. I'm like, okay, let me ask if he would be willing to host
Of course.
me. Yeah.
If I am
I'm
in a
so
home
glad
and
that I
able to
picked
take
you.
in travelers, I will do it because I have to return the favor. If I expect people to open up their home and trust me, it's my duty to help
Totally.
because we're all one. We're all here to support and love each other and to pretend that we're strangers and we need our separate spaces. It creates the world that isn't serving us.
And I feel this is a great platform to develop that trust in the unknown. I mean,
Yes.
It's just trust, mere coincidence and
It builds faith in humanity. You can tell someone's intentions by just looking at them, and people are good.
Just imagine, I mean, we were strangers, and
Yeah.
it's been like what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
I'm in your house, and
We're friends.
totally.
So what have been the highlights of your America travels? What a crazy time to be in America.
I,
Jeez, legendary.
I think
Scary.
I'm lucky enough, to be here and enjoy.
What's been your favorite city or place that you
I
visited?
would say the first trip I took to West Texas.
Yeah.
It's a small town called Marfa.
Marfa, I've been there. It's a funky artist town.
Yes.
I've been to Marfa.
You've been to
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I've driven across the country a couple times, and one
Okay.
time I went through Marfa.
That was.
I've ridden my bicycle across too, but I've
Wow.
driven twice and bicycled once.
Wow. So that
See,
was the highlight. I camped.
What did you
there.
do there? You camped.
I camped in a place called El Cosmico,
Uh-huh.
and I
And you-
checked out the whole town.
You
by-
go and see like installations, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I rented a bike and went to
Nice.
the China Tea Foundation and all the galleries and stuff.
Cool.
Yeah, so that was the highlight, and I didn't know I could like do a lone travel and stuff. So, but
But you can, right?
I totally could.
And people are nice out there.
Yes.
People ask me all the time, how do you knock on people's doors and stay in people's houses? Because they're almost always, everyone is nice.
Yeah, my experience has been.
And if
great.
someone doesn't have good intentions, you can read that on their face immediately. You know, but 99% of the time, we're here to
Yes.
support each other. And
Okay,
I'm
okay.
glad that you're here, even though you're only here for a day. So you got to go see everything tomorrow, but we'll make it happen. We'll do it.
I'm so glad that I picked you. Already.
Yes, definitely. I will not disappoint. All right, closing down yet another day. Maggie at this hour just keeps on looking at me like, dude, can we please get into bed? Come on, man. You're killing me. I know, we're getting into bed and we're gonna cuddle. Joe's just digging into a ripe fuyu. What do you think?
Oh my god, it's just delicious. We don't have these in Alaska. This is like this is the second one I've ever eaten.
They run wild here in the Bay Area
my God.
and in SoCal. You can probably find some, but mainly kind of up north is where the good ones are. So juicy. Well, our days keep on getting more epic, and tomorrow's gonna be a gnarly day. We're having a rager tomorrow. Not actually. It's not gonna be rowdy. We're just having a lot of friends gathering together, and I hope you're okay, because she's very territorial of me, and when people she doesn't know come in the house and hang out with me, she gets a little scared, but we're gonna figure it out tomorrow. Much love. Dream extreme, everyone. Maggie, I'm more in love every day. You did so well today. I'm so proud of you.